In this video, we will talk about the slope-intercept form of equation of a line. So, the slope-intercept form of equation of line is given by y equal mx plus c. Now, here this m represents the slope of this line and c represent the y-intercept of this line. Okay, let us see with the help of example that what are the slope and intercept of some of the lines. Suppose you have the line y equal 2x plus 7. Then comparing this with the standard form of the line, we say that the coefficient of x is nothing but the slope. So here in this case, slope is equal to 2 and y-intercept is the constant without x. Okay, similarly, let's consider another example. If y is equal to minus 3 over 2x minus 10. So again, comparing it with the standard form of this equation, the coefficient of x, that is minus 3 over 2, will give you the slope and the constant term will give you the y-intercept. So slope is minus 3 over 2. So remember that since by default here in the standard form both the signs are positive, so any negative sign we have to take with slope and y-intercept. This minus 10. Okay. It is not always necessary that you get your equation of line is expressed in the same form. For instance, if you have say equation of line given as say 3y equal to 6x plus 12. Then, to find the slope and y-intercept, first we need to convert it into the standard form. So, how do we know that this is the standard form? Like, we need the coefficient of y to be 1. What is the coefficient of y here? It's 3. So, we do not need this number. We need to get rid of this number. So, for that purpose, what we do is we divide both sides of the given line by 3. Okay, so once we do that, we divide both sides by 3. Once we do this, we get the revised equation of this 3 will get cancelled with this 3. We get y equal 6 divide 3 gives you 2x plus 12 divide 3 gives you 4. Now, this is the standard form of equation of line in the slope and intercept form. So from here we can say that the slope of this line is the coefficient of x, which is 2, and the y-intercept is 4. Okay. Considering another example, if you have say 2y minus 5x plus 10 equals 0. And you have to find again the slope and y-intercept. So again, as this is not in the same form, so for this form, first of all, what we need the coefficient of y to be 1. But here it is 2. So divide all the numbers by 2. It is 2. So this gives you the equation as 2 cancel with 2, y minus 5 over 2x plus 10 divide 2 is 5 equals 0 divide 2 is 0. Now, when you look at it, again this equation is not in a slope-intercept form because here we need y equals something, whereas here we have y minus or plus something. So for that, we need to move these terms on the other side of the equation. So once we do that, what we will get? We get y equal, now since it's minus 5 over 2x, when we move it to the right side, we get plus 5 over 2x. We have already 0 there, so 0 plus something is same as the same thing. Okay, now plus 5, when we move it to the other side, we get minus 5. Now it is in the slope-intercept form, and we say that this number 5 over 2 is the slope and minus 5 is the y-intercept. So we get slope as 5 over 2 and y-intercept as minus 5. So remember, the main thing to find the slope and intercept of an equation of line, always convert it into this standard form. Once you do this, then only you can compare and get your answer.